Hello, in this video we're using the Varathane Classic Wood Filler. This is a two-part wood filler we're going to mix together. I'm going to show you how to use it. So this specific product is a two-part product where you will mix this activator. It's the wood cream hardener, so this is the wood cream. It says it's a 50 parts to 1 part ratio. They don't give you any kind of measuring tool, so I have a digital scale here I'll be using. Just gonna try to do it as simple as possible and do probably 25 grams of the wood filler and then half of a gram of the wood cream hardener. If it doesn't look like enough, I'll bump up to 50 grams and 1, so it's 50 to 1 ratio. They give you, or this is the lid. They say you can mix it in that, anything non-porous knife. They also recommend you use a respirator because it's pretty potent in terms of the smell and toxicity. So I'm in my kitchen right now, but I have all the windows in my house open. I'm using it on the stair project, which is just over there. So it only has a 15-minute cure time. So it says only use the amount that can be used only mix the amount that can be used within 15 minutes. So once you're done mixing it, like once the activator or the hardener is added to the actual wood filler, the clock starts. So we need to mix it as fast as possible and then get it to where we want to use it as fast as possible because it is going to get really hard really quickly. So I'm going to use this popsicle stick to mix in here, add to that, and then I'm going to add my wood filler. Hopefully you guys can see this, but I'm turning on my digital scale here. And it's zeroed out. This weighs 204 grams. So with that on it, it says 0. So I'm going to open this up and use this glove as well as this respirator. Zeroing out the scale to account for the weight of the lid. This is actually the lid that came with the container. So I'm adding in 50 grams of the actual wood filler and then 1 gram of the activator to stay true to the 50 to 1 ratio that it recommends. What seems like the most toxic part is the actual wood filler, so I want to get the lid back on that thing as soon as possible, but wearing the respirator the entire time. Just press that down, and then I add the 1 gram of the activator. Mix that up really good, and then it's back over to the stairs to fill in the second seam. This one seemed to fill in nicer for me, maybe because I just had practice, or maybe I mixed it better or something, but it's much easier to spread near the beginning, and it quickly becomes hard. So make sure you act fast. If you need to do multiple batches, do that. I definitely don't want to try to be spreading a thick product. All right, it says it only needs 30 minutes to cure before you can sand it. It's been a couple of hours for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the 220 grit sandpaper and see what it looks like. All right, we are sanded, and this is what it looks like. So just a little seam there. I went over and made sure it was nice and smooth along the seam. I used a 220. I bumped back up to a 120 grit sandpaper and then back down to a 220 just to make sure it was perfect. And now I'm going to go ahead and vacuum up the dust and get some paint down. And here's the finished product. This is a layer of paint as well as a layer of a gloss clear coat. It's a polyacrylic by Minwax. Turned out really well. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you aren't already, and God bless.